Welcome to Outlaw Edge. So I'm gonna show you guys a real hot rod. This is a true Ratrod truck right here. This thing is insane. Known this guy for a lot of years right here in Minnesota. And check this thing out. Want to tell me what this motor is?
2JZ out of a Toyota Supra.
And what are you pushing for horsepower?
650 to rear wheels.
That's just insane.
27 pounds of boost.
Yeah?
Yeah, she scoots.
Was it hard to get this motor and stuff in there?
Took a lot of fabrication.
Yeah, what about what transmission are you running with this?
An AR5. It's out of a Pontiac Solstice.
Yeah.
Solstice.
Yep.
And 5-speed. It's holding up for now.
And I saw on your dash you got your laptop, and that's I mean, can you adjust this as you're driving this, or?
Kinda. Usually mainly for gauges, and it runs off of a Bluetooth module on the ECU Masters Black ECU, and then all my gauges run through Real Dash app, and I can customize everything on the app.
Man, that's trick. This thing is absolutely badass, bro. I like weird, crazy stuff, and this one just this one just beats it right here. I mean, look at all this. I mean, he stuffed this thing in here super carefully.
Yeah, I'd say I put that motor in everything in about 2-3 months.
Yeah.
So
yeah, because I remember what was your other motor you had?
351 Windsor.
Yeah.
And that was like 300 horse, so I've almost tripled the horsepower.
Yeah, and then I was talking to Bobby, and he was telling me what you were doing with this thing, and I'm like, what? And I saw some videos, so I was like, man, when you drove up, I had to check it out, you know?
It's a wild setup for sure. I'm not disappointed at all in doing this.
Oh, I bet. This thing is just radical. I mean, to me, you know, that's what I try to explain to people is a rat rod is something that you build with your own two hands and your ingenuity and, you know, fabrication, and make something just totally different that blows people away, you know?
Oh, for sure. And that's the way that this was. Everything I've laid down, every single bead that's on this whole entire truck.
Yeah, this thing is completely badass. You built the frame and everything on here too?
Frame and everything.
Yeah. So on the frame, he's got it all four-linked and everything, and it's really tricky the way you set this up. And then he was just saying that he wants to tub it and put some bigger wheels and stuff on it now. So they're always a work in progress too, though. Yeah. You know how that goes.
I actually have my fuel system and battery, and I actually have watered air intercooler set up on this. So my water tank is on the other side by my battery.
Yeah, that's, man, the ingenuity, bro, is badass.
It's
cool.
A lot.
Thanks for letting me interview you from my YouTube channel, man.
No problem.
Good to see you, bro. All right.